undone. I wanna be welcomed in. I wanna feel your love like sunshine on my resurrected skin. I wanna hear the music play. I wanna hear the trumpet sound. I wanna hear you call my name and watch my feet lift off the ground. I'll be run, oh, and I won't quit chasing your heart, just like David did. I'll come running through the gates, look into your face, oh, I can hardly wait until you carry my soul away. When everything is said and done, and death has met its end, I wanna hear you call me son, be counted as a faithful friend. I wanna see you rise like fire. I wanna see the scars that bled. Oh, won't you take me higher, the place where angels fear to tread. And I will run, Lord, and I won't quit chasing your heart, just like David did. And I'll come running through the gates, look into your face, oh, I can hardly wait until you carry my soul away. And I will keep my lamplight burning in the night. I'll be waiting here for you, watching for all your signs. If I may be so bold to ask you, would you lend your ear to me? Oh Lord, come to see all that you are, all that you mean.